Vinay Mohan Quatra, a retired Indian Foreign Service diplomat and former Foreign Secretary, has been appointed as India's next ambassador to the United States. Quatra is an Indian Foreign Services officer from the 1988 batch and has taken over the position which has been left vacant after Taranjeet Sandhu retired in January 2024. He has previously served in China, the US in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office and as India's envoy to France from August 2017 to February 2020. He has also served at the Indian Consulate in Durban, China and Russia. He has also served as the head of economic, trade and finance issues in the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. He has also worked in India's development program in Afghanistan by the MEA. Quatra holds a postgraduate degree in science and is fluent in French and Russian along with Hindi and English languages, reported Business Standard. He also has an international relations diploma from the Graduate School of International Studies in Geneva. His immediate priority will be to engage with officials who could play a crucial role in India-related policy during the next US administration, a report noted. India-US ties have strengthened over the past 2 decades, and Quatra's appointment aims to bring certainty to this important relationship as countries prepare for a potential change in administration after the upcoming US elections. He had called PM Modi's visit to the US a milestone in the relationship between the two countries.
It's a milestone in our relationship between the two countries. You heard Honorable External Affairs Ministers say yesterday, it's a very significant visit, very important visit, a visit on which there is a genuine and widespread deep interest in the United States. The visit is very rich in both form and in substance. 3 key components would be the leadership connect during the visit between the two countries. 4, naturally, an important element of the visit will also be discussion on the bilateral relationships, the line of effort, the objectives that we set for ourselves in terms of looking at next series of transformative agenda items in years ahead.
Until 1993, Quatra served as the 3rd Secretary and then 2nd Secretary in the Permanent Mission of India in Geneva right after joining the services, according to a report. From May 2010 till July 2013, Quatra served as Minister in the Indian Embassy in Washington, the report added, noting that between July 2013 and October 2015, Quatra headed the Americas Division in the Foreign and helmed the Policy Planning and Research Division of the MEA, and between 2015 and 2017, Quatra was the Joint Secretary at the Prime Minister's office.